Here's for today's tip and teeth. Are you ready?
Spark your curiosity.
Don't rinse after brushing your teeth. Oh, come on, hear me out a little. When we brush our teeth with toothpaste, that paste contains fluoride that can actually help remineralize our teeth. Remember this, just like how a broken heart needs time to heal, our teeth can heal with time. The longer the fluoride stays in our mouth, the better chances of making our teeth stronger. Well, if it's too disgusting for you, by all means, wash it off. And then, here's the tip. Take a little bit of toothpaste, put it on your finger, and smear it all over your teeth. That way, you did not only remove the debris, you increased the protection of your teeth. That's all for today, and remember to stay curious.